girls! I'm Miss Trini from Kinder A, and today I brought some vocabulary words. There are some words that you have already heard and learned, but there are some others that are new, so let's check them out. Ready? This is the sea. This is the beach. This is the ocean. This is the sun. And finally, this is a lighthouse. Lighthouses are useful for warning boats and ships with its light when there is shore nearby, so they don't crash with it. Okay, so now that you know the words, this week we're going to play a game named Where is Wally? When looking for Wally behind the flashcards, you have to say the phrase Wally is behind the lighthouse, or Wally is behind the sea, or Wally is behind the ocean. The thing is that you say the whole phrase so you practice your English, okay? Bye bye. See you. A big kiss for everybody.